You match, nothing happens. You message, silence. You go on a date and halfway through you're thinking, how did we end up here? If you're over 50 and using dating apps, you already know it can feel confusing, draining, and honestly discouraging at times. But here's something most people never get told. It's not that the online dating is broken, it's not that no one ever taught you how to use it in a way that truly supports midlife dating. Today, I'm going to show you how to swipe smart so dating apps can start working for you, not draining you. Number one, know what you want before you swipe. Most people over 50 swipe from a place of hope or loneliness, but confident midlife daters swipe with clarity. So ask yourself, what kind of relationship do I want? What lifestyle matches mine? What values matter most right now? When you know what you're looking for, your brain filters out the noise and you stop wasting time on maybe matches. Number two, choose the app that matches your intent. Not every app is built for the same purpose. Some are for quick fun, some for long conversations, some are genuinely designed for more mature daters. When you pick an app that aligns with your goals, you instantly raise your match quality because you are surrounded by people looking for the same thing. Number three, your profile is a mirror. Make it accurate, make it warm. Midlife dating isn't about perfection, it is about presence. Photos where you look alive, confident, and natural are 10 times more effective than stiff portraits. And your bio? Skip the long CV. Write something that makes someone feel you, your humor, your heart, your life. And if you're ready to change that, you can download your best profile yet, the guide I created to help you build a profile that attracts the right people, right from the link in the description box below. Number four, choose from today, not from your past. One of the biggest mistakes people over 50 make on dating apps is swiping based on old criteria. Maybe you're still looking for the kind of partner you would have chosen at 30 or 40 years old, or you're subconsciously avoiding people who remind you of past hurt, or you're filtering for qualities that once mattered but no longer match the life you want now. This is why clarity is everything. Before you swipe, ask yourself, am I choosing based on who I am today or who I used to be? When you update your criteria to fit your current values, your lifestyle, your emotional needs, your whole dating experience changes. You stop matching with the people who fit your past and start connecting with people who fit your future. Here's what I want you to remember. Dating apps aren't designed for you to find love. They're designed to keep you scrolling, but you can take back control. Use clarity instead of hope. Use standards instead of fear. Use presence instead of perfection. And choose from who you are today, not who you used to be. Because when your intentions are clear and your words reflect the real you, you swipe differently. You attract with ease. Let me know in the comments your thoughts about dating apps. Love and light. Bye.